Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: battery level, Bluetooth, and the Maker app. Open the Watch app on your phone and on the watch choose Pair or Connect. Once done, allow location and Bluetooth permissions when prompted so the app can detect the watch. If the watch shows a pairing code, keep both screens visible. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth stays on and you avoid toggling airplane mode. These immediate steps start the secure handshake between devices. Next, complete the secure pairing. Verify the PIN or code displayed on both screens and tap Confirm. The phone will request permissions, grant notifications, contacts, and any health access the watch needs. Once permissions are accepted, follow the app's guided setup to sign into or create your account and choose sync preferences like notifications and health metrics. Make sure firmware updates are allowed. If an update appears, schedule it now to prevent compatibility issues later. To finish, confirm time, notifications, and health data are syncing correctly. Open the app and check recent readings and alerts. Make sure Do Not Disturb settings aren't blocking alerts. If messages fail or connection drops, reboot the watch and phone, then toggle Bluetooth once. This clears transient link issues. If problems persist, unpair in the app and repair or reset network settings on the phone. This final troubleshooting step typically resolves stubborn pairing faults efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.